If you are thinking of optimizing your web page as a blogger, as a YouTuber, and as a content creator in general. So I'm going to give you 4 tips that's going to help you to optimize your page and be on top of Google search engine. You know what that means? Traffic is going to be for you. You're going to seize the search engine by taking the opportunity of these 4 tools, start using it and start hitting it big. I still remain your guy, Opus Done, your number one only Opus Done. Kindly give me a thumb up if you are enjoying this video. If you are joining me for first time, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much as we grow together. All right, number 1 tool I'm going to introduce to you is Boostmo. Boostmo is a wonderful tool. This is a tool that offers content discovery solution that allow you to search by trending topics. All right, with the help of this tool, you should be able to optimize your page by searching straight to the point, trending topics. With the help of this tool, you don't need to be cracking your brain searching for what to blog about or what to write or the content to create. This will help you immediately to know, to make further researches about what is trending as a content creator. Then you optimize your topics and your write-ups or your blogs along the line. With that, you're going to hit it big, get yourself on top of Google search engine and start dragging the traffic to yourself. All right, so you can filter result by time, 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hour, etc, and specific topics depending. All right, that's what Boostmo can do for you. All right, if you don't know about this Boostmo, check it out. It's a wonderful tool that helps bloggers. Majority of people have been using it, but probably you don't know the importance of this tool. Another thing that Boostmo does is that it shows popular content on social media and what competitors are writing about. What that gives you is an edge so that you know how to position yourself. You know you are stealing the secret of your competitors. Sharply, you are going to start blogging in that alignment. By default, you start hitting it big. That's what Boostmo can do for you. Another wonderful tool you are going to use is what is called SEMrush. SEMrush is another wonderful tool to find out what people are searching for around a particular topic. Is any topic that is in vogue what people are looking for? With the help of SEMrush, you quickly enter into your blog and start writing something that makes sense. Craft your own, adding your small touch. You know, boom, you start hitting it big. You position yourself at the bull level, you know, global view. You position yourself at the top search engine. What that means is that you start gathering the traffic as expected, and you know what that means to your blogging style. All right, so enter your keyword or phrase in SEMrush. It's going to augment the topics that people are searching for. It's going to start suggesting, dropping it for you by default. Quick one, you start gathering the traffic to yourself because you are using the right keyword which people are looking for. You know, in search engine optimization, topic and keywords is very, very crucial, very important, because you're using the right keyword. So SEMrush will help you do that best. It provides phrase match keywords to you. So once you enter whatever, by default is going to automate it for you. You see yourself just doing those things that you struggle with. You start doing it with ease. All right, related keywords, organic search results, you are going to be appearing in all those things. Organic search results, it will equally continue gathering them for you. Do you understand? So you don't need to worry yourself too much when you are using SEMrush. Another important tool that I want to quickly tell you is a tool called Google Keyword Planner. This is free tool within Google Ads, which provides insights into online behaviors. This gives you clear knowledge, clear ideas of what people are looking for, their behavioral pattern, the website they are jumping from a place to another. With the help of Keyword Planner, you set your ad, you understand their target, you understand the target audience, you understand their behaviors, you understand their demography, you understand everything like expo about that such individual. What happens to you is that you place your advert as a digital marketer strategically to their views at the end of the day, you are now converting more than you can ever predict. All right. It helps you to discover search terms and keyword related to your business or website. All right. So start using Google Planner today and increase your view and increase your digital work as a digital marketer. Google Trend is another wonderful tool that I will not go without mentioning. It has been in existence for over 15 years, but funny enough, it's only few people that even know how to use this tool. A wonderful tool that helps you do the magic. Google Trend has been accessible to everyone interested in understanding how people use search tool to find information. All right. It provides a global view of search trend. So, what are you still waiting for? Start making use of this wonderful tool. SEMrush, Boostmo, Google Planner, Google Ad Planner, Google Trends. Start using them to optimize your page and see the growth. By default, instead of running advert or paying an influencer, you augment your page yourself and start hitting it big without the support of anybody. Thank you very much. If you want to get all the resources, it's down there. The link is there. You just click on it and go and register. Sign up is free. Give it a trial, test run it and plan your keywords and start. Click and get to those websites and sign up and begin to improve the way you augment your keywords. The way you fix them matters whenever Google is pulling. There is what is called crawling in site optimization. Every moment Google crawl new keywords. So with the help of all those relevant keywords that is being suggested to you by these smart tools, then you always, no matter how the Google search engine crawl to spool new keywords, you will be among, or you will be presented before your right audience, because people is always hitting the search engine looking for information. All right. So if this interests you, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. I still remain your guy, number one, Opus Don. See you in my next video. We love you. I love you. Opus Media love you. Thank you very much. Let's keep supporting one another. Thank you and remain blessed.